San Antonio, February 14th. What a Valentine's Day, huh? I'm not going outside. You're just seeing this outside my window. Would you believe we are in Texas? Man, look at this. The saddest part though is, well, the power's out. So even if our heat was running, we couldn't use it because the power's out. So I want to go outside play in the snow, but we have no heat in the house to come back to. So, woo-wee. Wow, let's go look at the front. Our flowers and plants. This is Texas. What in the world? Here's our backyard. Look how deep that snow is. Look at it. Whew. Look at where our footsteps were. It's just like ice now. Look at the ice that's packed underneath where we stepped. You see that?
I will put it.
Huh. Jeez. Alright, let's go try to make a snowman and then I'll film later. Okay. Huh. Try new things. Well, that's what Mercy just did today with the snow. It's actually, it's cold out. It's like, according to the weather report, it's like 12 degrees out. But when the sun's shining on you, it feels warm until you get out of the sun, and then so it's actually, as long as the sun's shining on you when you're outside, right now it feels warmer outside than it does inside the house. Check this out. A couple hours ago was when we were out here doing like that video you were just watching, and it's still, according to the weather, says it's 12 degrees out right now. But look at what's happening because of the sunshine. But the snow from the roof is starting to melt a little bit. Wow, look at that, huh? So that makes me wonder how long this is going to last. We still have like 5 hours of the sun, so we'll see what happens with this, how long this lasts. This will probably stay all day. We'll probably still have snow on the ground tomorrow, but we're in Texas and it's just amazing how quickly things can go away, even with the snow this big. But you know, I got my dad up there in Illinois sent me a picture where it's like 2 feet of snow or something like that, or 2 inches, I don't know. It's a lot deeper than it is here. I'll have to show a picture of that too. But yeah, so this is what's going on, and our power is still out, so I can't even post this if I wanted to. But there we go. The freak snowstorm of February 2021 here in southern Texas. Whew. You gonna go out again?
Yeah.
Okay. Means I need to put something on my feet too. Alright, let's go check it out. I'm snowblind, snowblind, snowblind. That's a real thing, snow blindness. Because the glare from the sun onto the snow and into your eyes can, if you look at it long enough, it can make you actually go snowblind. So it's not just a song by Styx. If anybody remembers Styx, Mr. Roboto, Styx. Snowblind is a real thing. See? She's... We don't... See, down here in Texas, we have no use for such a thing as a snow shovel. Not like up in north or in Canada, like we got friends in Canada and stuff like that.
The ice is melt, it's so slippery.
Yeah. That's the danger, is once the snow starts to melt and then it freezes up again, they got what you call black ice. Yeah. Black ice isn't just a song in an album by AC/DC.
So dangerous.
That's where the roads become dangerous. Do you know how to make a snowman, Mercy?
Huh?
Do you know how to make a snowman? No. You just, you think, okay. Wolf, wolf, wolf. Rocky in Philadelphia, running through the snow. Look at where left more snow. And according to the weather, it's still only like 20-something degrees. Try to hit the tree.
Oh,
oops.
I'm slippery.
Oh, yeah, blame it on the slippery. Just, okay.
Okay, again.
Okay, again.
Again.
All right, hit the tree. I think you missed again. Do it again. You're gonna get closer each time. Oh yeah, I think you hit it. Good job. Ooh, that little breeze reminds you that it's cold out.
Oh, it's coming.
Yeah, that breeze. Where's the sunshine? What you doing?
Removing the snow in our rooftop. Remove the snow in our rooftop. Can't reach it.
You having fun?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is what I want to do. That's right. I want to do in Chicago, or I want to do in Alaska because I want to clean ice, but snow. But I'm not here, so.
Well, that's good.
Yeah.
All right. Power finally came back on, so I'm going back inside.
So,
Okay.
I don't see any cars that passing by in our.
No, nobody's driven down our street yet today.
Yeah.
The only place anybody's driven is just doing donuts right here. I also want to do that. You know what doing donuts is? You know what donuts are?
Where?
When you're in your car and you make it go around in a circle in the snow and ice. It's actually kind of fun.
I will write your name.
Yeah, there you go. Hey, it looks like some people drove this far up close to us, huh?
That is.
Huh. Okay, says I love you. Hey, don't forget that scraper. You see the scraper right there? See, if we had enough space that wasn't already walked on, we could probably put could write our family's names in the
David.
Okay, very good. Too bad we can't bring it inside the house.
Ay, niluto na pala. Here, honey.
It's about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. We got a fire going.
Oh, yeah, we decide to, because we don't have electric power, so we decide to grill our food here. We'll grill the fish and
Oh, look at the color of the snow
No, because
around where this
is
was.
the ash.
Yeah, I know where the ash was, yeah. Look at that, isn't that kind of neat?
Yeah, it is. Look at my shoes. Honey. Look, huh?
Sticking to them, huh?
Yeah. Look. Ah.
Well, look at the top of the gazebo. You can tell at the top of the house on the roof where it's kind of melting, even though it's like 20 something degrees still. All right, watch this. Let me see.
No survival. I can't turn it on.
Can't even turn on the water, huh? No power in the house, no water. Look, they got some longer icicles on there. Huh. It is now 3:30 p.m. and look outside. Looks like it's so much warmer out, although we've got plenty of snow out, but a lot of it's gone. But we still have no electricity in the house, which is kind of crazy. And inside the house is kind of cold, so. But this is what we got. Welcome to San Antonio, Texas, on one of the weirdest days of the year. Everybody got cold and we're just not used to this. Definitely our electric bill is not used to this either. Alright. Hope everybody else is doing alright. Here we are the next day, and surprise, surprise, here in Texas. Oh, wow, the snow is still on the ground. It is still so cold. And this is almost unprecedented for Mercy being in America. The snow, normally the snow is gone by the next day, but here it's like 27 degrees or less right now, and it's 5 o'clock in the afternoon. It might get up to 45 tomorrow, a high of 45. So maybe it'll melt tomorrow and it might be better after that, but it's still cold. We still have snow. So there you go. The next day, 5 o'clock, finally got power. It's still cold, so. All right, there you go. The afternoon of day number 3, and most of the snow is gone. In fact, the weather is like 45 degrees or something like that. So it's enough for it to melt, but it's still kind of cold outside. So I'm wearing double layers. And right now, as we speak, we still have no electricity in the house. Oh, what is going on, San Antonio? Day 3, no electricity. This is crazy. Even though it's warmed up, that nothing should be frozen so much anymore. Hey, at least our flag doesn't have a big icicle on it anymore, so that's good. Yeah, there you have it. There's the what? Wow. All right. What? I don't even know what to say. This is what we got. Day 3. It is now Thursday, December. It is Thursday, December 18th here in San Antonio, Texas. Does this look like Texas to you? But once again, it started snowing. We actually got electricity in our house at 3:30 in the morning, and it's still on. Pray that we keep the electricity on, but we have no water. as we speak, so this ongoing winter here in San Antonio, Texas is still happening, and it's snowing again. Supposedly Sunday we should be seeing, wow, do you see the snow coming off the roof there? Supposedly Sunday we should be seeing 60-degree weather somehow. I don't know, but this is another day of this. Wow, did you see that? Huh. Alright, well, hey, what day did this start? It actually started snowing on Valentine's night, which would have been the 14th, which was Sunday night. Then Monday is the day that you saw me and Mercy out here playing in the snow. Then Tuesday came, and then Wednesday came. Snow was almost all gone. Here's Thursday morning. Hello. Yay. Hello everybody from San Antonio, Texas. Ay, ay, ay. Okay, there it is. Welcome to Texas. For the unprecedented snowstorm for, I don't know who, I haven't lived here that long, but this is it. Well, I'm stopping here because we have power right now. I'm going to finish this video and we'll just go from there. Wow. Thank you everybody for watching.
It's David. Honey, touch it by your hand. What the use of that? That is too small.
Huh?
That is too little. Okay.
Alright, I gathered up the snow in this bucket. Putting it in this pot. Look at all that snow, huh? And I'm gonna turn on the stove and we'll see what happens. Supposedly, you know, snow is just like really thick water, and then we should be able to get water out of that. I don't know if it'll be drinkable water, but we'll have water. Saw how big that pile of snow was. This is all the water we got out of it, but we got some kind of water out of it. So if we run out of water, all we got to do is, as long as we have electricity, all we got to do is just keep boiling more and more snow. And that's it.